Arky, where you going? In?
The rainforest here.
What's the name?
Rainforest Cafe in Ontario Mill.
Okay.
Look at the light up logos.
That's the light up logo there. It says
Rainforest Cafe logo.
Rainforest Cafe. Come on, up here.
Let's go check the iguana.
You wanna go check the iguana?
Yes.
Okay. And this is the entrance of Ontario Mills.
Ooh, this is the side of the iguana.
This is the side of the iguana. Is this the one you see on the video?
Yes.
Good.
It's not moving.
It's not moving. Why? Because it's plastic. It's not real, right?
Oh,
Oh wow, look at it, boy.
you want Daddy to sit here?
You go ahead, I'll take a video of you. Wow, man. You are on the iguana, under the iguana.
You want to play your phone
Later, anak ko.
when you go eat?
Yes. Okay, let's go.
Did you know iguanas are green?
What?
Iguanas live on top of the iguanas live.
Iguana is?
Iguanas change their colors. Is it true or false?
Is it true or false?
False.
False.
Only chameleons do that.
Only chameleon do that. They change colors.
Yes. Can you
Okay.
touch it?
Can you touch it? Go ahead. Over here in the middle.
The frog is coming out of the water.
What?
A water.
Yay.
Can I go shop?
Okay, let's go inside then. Uh-oh, there's more here. What is it? It's a?
Iguana.
Another iguana? You go, you go.
The side of the iguana.
Yes, okay.
Let's go check in if there's a
Okay,
crocodile.
let's go inside where the crocodile is.